watch this video so you can learn from my mistakes. So my sister and I got this for my mom. The instructions were simple, but honestly, we still can figure it out. But this is what it looks like. It was actually a little bit smaller than I expected it to be, but it is what it is. It's kind of heavy, but you can get it done. So first you screw this like top part on here. That was pretty easy. And then you add the accordion sides on here, which is what my sister and I did. I'll be very honest with you. We ended up having to YouTube this instead of using only the paper instructions, and the YouTube video was much easier to follow along with. So once we got the accordion in on both sides, for the most part, that was it. And it was pretty much ready to go into the window. The thing to make sure you do here is to make sure that you slide it in. Common sense, it should probably go into where the window can hold it into place. So once we did that and we put the accordions on the side, we noticed there were holes. So we started plugging the side here, which is wrong. Do not do this. Do not do this with this thing. This is not what this is for. This is the piece that I am talking about. So actually how you are supposed to do it, we'll get to that in a second. I didn't want to quickly show you what it looks like with the knobs and everything. We went ahead and plugged it in because it was literally so hot in the house. That does not move up and down like I thought it did, but it does move to the left and right, which is kind of nice in case you want to dictate the airflow. And then, yeah, we didn't really know what to do with that little clip. And then we ended up finding out that the little black mesh part was to put in the top. So there is no airflow. So do not cut that. We made the mistake of cutting it. You're supposed to cut it to the length of the window and we didn't, but it is what it is. So then this was in here and we saw these little holes and we were looking at the video and they were talking about we needed to use a screwdriver or a drill to do holes. We didn't do that. But I want to be very honest right here. This is where we stopped following the instructions and we just kind of jerry-rigged it. So because there was a little bit of spacing on the side, what we did was we took the flatter black mesh thing and we basically just put it over this seal to make sure it covered up the holes. Like I said, you can do the screws, but we didn't want to do that. We felt like it was secure enough without it, to be honest with you. So we just kind of plugged the holes with the black mesh and we just kind of made it work. This is a temporary solution, but you can obviously use the screws if you want to. And then this is how it looked in the end.